Kemper, the world's leading manufacturer of row-independent harvesting technology, presents the 300 Plus series. Specifically for this series, Kemper present the multi-speed gearbox with quick coupling for the automatic coupling of the attachment drive to the forage harvester. The attachment can be easily and safely locked with a single lever. With 4 easily selectable gears, you can adjust the attachment speed to the selected cutting length for optimum crop flow. Kemper adds ever more speed to the class forage harvester. With the new additional comfort support wheel, Kemper sets new standards once more. The market leader has now integrated the side guards. The annoying attachment and removal of the guards is no longer required. The lighting connects automatically. The support wheel can be easily attached and removed without having to leave the cabin. The header is ready for use at full working width in the shortest possible time. This means maximum comfort. With the new additional comfort support wheel, you are always on the safe side. Kemper offers the 300 Plus series for working widths of 6 to 12 rows. Just like all Plus machines, Kemper also reduced the weight of the 345 Plus compared to the previous model. Combined with the Kemper typical compact and short design of small drum machines, this provides more safety on the road and reduced ground pressure. Just like the 300 series with its long history of success, the Kemper 300 Plus harvester attachments excel with the same even flow of crops. As you would expect from Kemper, all plants are picked up neatly and reliably even at the field edge. Full performance. The 300 Plus machines have a working width of 4.5, 6, 7.5 and 9 meters. With the up to 1 meter wide intake, they take even the highest output forage harvesters on the market to their capacity limits. A linear crop feed into the feed roller unit creates the basis for perfect chopping quality. With the proven small drum concept, plants are fed to the feed roller unit evenly through the header. Any falling cobs are caught by the plant guides on the header and fed to the chopper. Valuable plant energy is retained, losses are minimized. Whether you follow rows, harvest broadcast seed, or need to chop at an angle to the row, a row-independent Kemper harvester attachment always creates the basis for excellent chopping quality. In the new generation of row-independent Kemper attachments, the intake width can be adjusted freely from 60 centimeters to 1 meter, so that these headers can be perfectly adapted to the various forage harvester makes and chopping drum widths. Perfect crop flow and compactly bundled crops in the header are the essential basis for the excellent working quality of the forage harvester. Of course, we have retained many positive features of the Kemper harvester attachments. For instance, the 300 Plus series have scrapers under the cutting disc for shattering the stalk stubble, encouraging decomposition, and to protect the forage harvester tires. 9 meters in a single pass allows the trailers to drive alongside the forage harvester during the field clearing, significantly contributing to a performance increase. More relaxed driving thanks to automatic row guidance with the new Kemper sensor. This completely novel technology is characterized by the wear-free scanning of the maize rows by proximity sensors. Only the novel wear-resistant plastic whiskers come into contact with the crop. Distance measurement is contact-free and wear-free via the proximity magnets. The installed software compensates for any plant gaps within the row, preventing the harvester from diverting from its track, even where a row is missing. The driver can concentrate on output. Thanks to the completely new design of the external divider tips, the 300 Plus can cope with all crops without the side augers. Even in an emergency, the 300 Plus machines always neatly pick up all plants also after reversing fully. This is a distinguishing feature of Kemper harvester attachments. The Kemper attachment works well even under the most extreme harvesting conditions. The Series 300 Plus harvester attachment also manages the harvesting of a single row with ease and, of course, with almost zero loss. But the 300 Plus can be used to harvest much more than maize. It covers a multitude of different crops without difficulty and really comes into its own in whole plant silage. Its low-profile design, compared to the earlier 300 series, allows it to cut closer to the ground, giving you the advantage of clearly reduced stubble lengths, so you can harvest more per hectare with the same machine that you normally use. Thanks to the completely new design of the outside crop divider tips, the 300 Plus copes with all crops without side augers. This advantage for maize also means blockage-free harvesting of whole plant silage. Maximum performance and maximum reliability is what you rightly expect from us, and we are happy to oblige. The same perfect crop flow during the maize harvest also means exceptionally good chopping quality during the whole plant silage harvest. Every plant is fed in a straight line to the chopping drum and thus cut straight and evenly. This is the basis for the maximum gas yield of your biogas plant. An attachment for maize and whole plant silage with an up to 9-meter working width. That's a convincing performance. Kemper engineers achieve this by removing all potential snagging points from the crop flow. The result was an open design in which dirt and weeds stand no chance. This shows once again that the experience of the world market leader with more than 20,000 harvester attachments has been consistently for the benefit and advantage of customers. A Kemper attachment creates the basis for successful and high-quality silage. The new universal attachments of the 300 Plus series meet the toughest customer requirements with ease. If a blockage does occur, it can of course be removed easily and without loss from the driving seat, even in whole plant silage. This allows you to achieve highest yields even under the most difficult harvesting conditions. The new Kemper harvester attachments of Series 300 Plus have hardly any limits when it comes to the versatility of the stalk crops to be harvested. Even today, we are ready for the harvest crops you want to chop tomorrow. We look ahead all the time to ensure your continued success with our products in the future. We build row-independent harvester attachments. Kemper, quality products for professionals.